some people.
Hello, this is Charles Benninghoff, and I'm the founder of the Tea Party Army, the Rehabilitated Project, and Pray for Us. And today, I want to speak to you about Obama and the appointment of a new Supreme Court Justice. As you may know, because it's been in the news just a few moments ago, Barack Obama has summoned Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell, as well as Senate Judiciary Committee Chairman Chuck Grassley, to the White House for secret meetings about Obama's Supreme Court nominee. That is the subject of today's message and the reason why we are sending out this emergency call to everyone who sees this. Obama is bringing in McConnell and Grassley in separately held meetings, and each one of them is going to be in private. We have built a 7-year track record of following Obama's actions, so please take our comments seriously when we say that the GOP leadership is about to betray America and break the promise that they made to you only a few days ago. McConnell and Grassley both stated then that there would be no confirmation hearings for Obama's Supreme Court nominee this year. Obama will bribe, threaten, and blackmail McConnell and Grassley in these one-on-one meetings, and then, before you know it, they will have reached a compromise. And the threats and the blackmail possibilities are real. Both McConnell and Grassley have been in Washington, D.C. for years, and who knows what skeletons reside in each one of their closets. Those skeletons, if they don't come out, will be disastrous for the Republican Party. We have compiled a list of Republican senators on our campaign page for you to contact. If you're watching this video on our campaign page, the list of names is beneath the video screen. If you're watching this on YouTube or another social media channel, look for the link below to find that campaign page. The Republican senators on that list are the ones we believe are the most to be concerned about when it comes to this Supreme Court fight. Some of the senators are up for re-election this year. Some have already stated that they are in favor of confirmation hearings. And some have remained silent and obviously are waiting to see which way the wind blows. We need you to send faxgrams to that list today using the form on our campaign page and tell them to stand firm against Obama's nominee. Also, if your senator's name is on that list, call their office at the number we provide on the campaign page and tell them you do not want Obama to choose Justice Scalia's replacement on the Supreme Court. One person that Obama was considering as a nominee, Nevada Governor Brian Sandoval, has declined the nomination, but he's waiting in the wings to be renominated if necessary. The fact that Obama wanted Sandoval for the Supreme Court tells you exactly the type of far-left activist judge that Obama wants. Sandoval is pro-abortion, pro-Obamacare, and pro-homosexual marriage, and he also signed a bill to give driver's licenses to illegal aliens. He is the only Republican governor in the country who not only expanded Medicaid, but also set up his own state's Obamacare exchange. Some Republican he is. If he does not end up on the Supreme Court, maybe he'll run for Senate one day. The other possible nominee on Obama's short list is an immigrant from India. India is a well-known player in the worldwide socialist communist list of countries. I have no idea how to pronounce this man's name. Srinivasan, perhaps. You should know that National Review has said that this Indian immigrant has ruled somewhat to the left of Ruth Bader Ginsburg on the D.C. Circuit of Appeals. He is anti-Second Amendment. He has also ruled in court cases that the federal government can make decisions based on race and gender, something that will get you in really big trouble with the federal government if you try this in the private sector. Those are two of Obama's top picks so far. And after the secret meeting with Grassley and McConnell, there's a real possibility that the Republican senators could vote to confirm either one of them. Remember, just 3 days before, Obama heard McConnell and Grassley state they promised there would be no confirmation hearings, period. In fact, one of the two stated that hell will freeze over before that happens. Well, guess what? It seems like it's getting really hot. It is absolutely vital that you contact the Senate today and tell them to keep that promise. If Obama appoints another far-left activist to the court, as he has done twice already in his terms, that judge will be imposing Obama's wills on the rest of America for decades to come. We have to shore up the Republican ranks right now and ensure that they do not even give the nominee the benefit of a confirmation hearing, let alone a full vote. Psalms 86, 6-7 reads, "Give ear, O Lord, to my prayer, and attend to the voice of my supplications. In the day of my trouble I will call upon you, for you alone will answer me." These are days of trouble for America, and those days will extend for decades beyond Obama's time in the White House if we allow the anti-Christian far left to seize control of the Supreme Court. Now is a time for prayer, but also it's time for each one of us to put our faith into action. We can defeat Obama if we stand together and we all speak out. So please go to our campaign page and learn how you can contact the Senate today. This is Charles Benninghoff, and I'm signing off for you and wishing you as well Godspeed.
Satan can't make me doubt it. It's real and I'm gonna shout it. I was there when it happened, and I guess I ought to know.